Hello, so today we're going to do the European 6-in-1. If you know the European 4-in-1, this is going to be pretty much the same, but with 2 extra rings. So, we're going to take 1 open ring and put 6 closed rings on it. We close that one. So it should look something like this. Then we're going to take 1 open ring and put 2 closed rings on it. And as you can see, this one is facing that way, the middle one. So what we're going to have to do is put this open ring into the 4 closed rings on the chain we already made. It goes something like this. Goes through the top to the bottom, and then comes from the bottom. Goes through two rings we already put there. We close that one up. Should look like this. There we go. We can extend that one, just take 1 open ring, 2 closed rings. When you get more advanced and you'll feel the pattern more, it's easier to just put it in your hands. And this way it's much easier to put the rings through. Just like that. And you can also extend this one to the side to make it wider. For that, I'm just going to put this one here. We're going to take 1 open ring and 3 closed rings. And they're going to see how this one goes that way. This row is also going to go that way. It's alternating. For me, it's easier to go from the bottom, but you can go from the top. It's your choice. Like that. Should look something like this. There we go. And then you do the same thing as the European 4-in-1. You take 1 closed ring and 1 open ring. And it has to go through 5 closed rings on the pattern here. Comes from the bottom of this one. Goes through 2 rings on the top. Then it goes through 3 rings in the bottom. There. And let's add 1 more. Goes through 2 top rings and 3 bottom ones. And there you have it, a little square of European 6-in-1. So, happy chainmailing. Goodbye.